my channel. My name is Tina, and today is another one of my top 5 from 2017 videos. This time it's foundation. You're gonna see this in a couple of these where I don't actually have the item anymore because I used it up in 2017. So my first foundation is from a line I don't currently own, but oh my gosh, I loved it, which is why I don't own it right now. It is the Studio Skin from Smashbox. Oh, heavens parted. I loved it. I got matched at the Nordstrom's counter when I was in Spokane. And oh my gosh, they did an amazing job. I wore that foundation out, like out. I was taking a Q-tip and, you know, getting it all out, it's gone. I loved that foundation. It was amazing. All right, so when I ran out of that though, I was kind of like, now what do I do? And I heard about this, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is a great foundation. It smells awful, just so you know. I combine it with this. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation. This foundation, super coverage. Also my favorite. So these two are the two I wear together a lot. Both of them are on my list because they're both great foundations. This one just looks beautiful on camera. In person, unless I mix it with this, I'm not as much of a fan. But this is a great foundation, even by itself. The reason I don't like it by itself is because it's super heavy, and for me, I think it's heavy. So yeah, so those. And then the last one to make the list is my MAC Studio Sculpt Water Weight Foundation. This foundation is really, really nice. It doesn't feel like you're wearing foundation. It's great. It is water weight. I absolutely love it. My only complaint is that if you have more like skin melasma and dark spots than I do, you're gonna have some trouble with this. I asked for medium buildable coverage. This is medium coverage. I wouldn't say it's all that buildable, in my opinion, unless you wanted to go around with cake face, which is not for me. So yeah. All right. Now I'm gonna give an honorable mention to a foundation because it sort of surprised me that I liked it at all. I don't like these kind of foundations. I've tried a bunch of them from high-end brands all over the place and had never found what I liked, but I did like this one quite a bit. It's the L'Oreal True Match Pressed Foundation Compact Makeup. It looks like this. It's kind of a cream. It's really nice. It feels really nice. It does decent coverage. It's easy to put on and it blends into your skin really well. It just isn't quite got that flawless finish that I get from these guys. And I like really, you know, I like my foundation to look completely like, she has amazing skin. Holy cow, how did that happen? That's what I want. That's why that one isn't on my list. Otherwise it probably would be. Those are my top 5 foundations from 2017. I hope to hear from you guys what your guys' favorites were because I don't try tons of foundations, I'll be honest. Foundation is the one area where if I find some I like, I stick to those and don't use other ones because foundations without fail are what break me out. Like, if I'm gonna have a bad face day, it's gonna be because of the foundation. Sad but true. So anyways, I'd love to hear what you guys have for suggestions for foundations because I like finding ones that I love. I just am scared to try them. So yeah. Anyways, let me know what your guys' favorites were. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!